Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in multiple Gmail accounts on PC or laptop. Let's get started. So if you want to log into your multiple Gmail account on your PC or laptop, then what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for gmail.com. So after searching for gmail.com, now what you can do is you can just tap on your profile icon. This is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now to add a Gmail to your account, what you can do is just simply tap on add another account. After tapping on add another account, now you have to provide the email address of the account which you would like to add. So after entering the email address, now what you can do is just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you have to enter the password of that account. After entering the password, now what you can do is just tap on next. You will find the email from Google which you have to open, and then what you have to do is just tap on yes, it's me. After tapping on yes, it's me, now what you have to do is you have to select this number. So you can find this number. So in my device it's 48, in your device it might be different. So what you have to do is just select this number, and after selecting that number you'll automatically logged in. And now what you can do is you can reset your account's password by tapping on update password if you want. If you don't want to do that, what you can do is just tap on continue, and again tap on continue if you want to access this feature which is passkey. So whenever you try to reset your account's password or to try to log into your account, you can just simply enter your device password and then easily log into your account. So if you want to access this feature, you can just tap on continue. I'll just tap on not now. And by doing that, here you can see I've successfully linked your account. So now what you can do is just verify your account. So just tap on verify. After tapping on verify, just tap on next. And now you will receive a 6-digit code on your number. Just tap on OK. After tapping on OK, just enter the 6-digit code and then tap on next. After entering the code, just tap on next. After tapping on next, tap on done. After tapping on done, here you can see I've successfully added this email address. And after doing that, now I will tap on your profile. Here you can see you have linked multiple email address in the same browser in your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log in multiple Gmail accounts on PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.